www.makinglawEasy.com. We're pleased to have Pittsburgh corporate attorney Phil Fraga with us today. Hi, Phil. Glad to have you on the show.
Hey, Justin. Glad to be here. Thanks.
If you could change maybe one thing about what clients or potential clients do or don't do, what might that be?
What you don't want or need is, a client that, every issue has him or her running around with their hair on fire and thinking it's, everything's got to stop and get that done immediately. And that's not to say that there aren't matters where, you might need to clear the decks and to let people know that you can and will do that if need be. But I think just having a calming influence and letting them know when it's time to, put the throttle down, then so be it. But otherwise, again, everything isn't a drop what you're doing. And I think that's something that you have to take the responsibility up front.
Maybe stepping back and taking a longer-term view of things might, serve them better and put them at ease of the situation that's going on.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think just even the office environment, it gets into more of the, maybe some of the softer skills. But, personally, I, growing up and through my career, would rather be around someone that always seemed to have his or her act together and, well, took things seriously. Nonetheless, it wasn't one fire drill after the other. I just think you create an atmosphere and an environment that people are on edge, and I don't think that serves anyone well. And some people, think if there isn't a frenzied, day-to-day environment that somehow they're not, operating at full capacity, and I think that's silly.
And what's the best way for a potential client to contact you, Phil?
Well, by phone, 412-447-0130, extension 12. And the email address is pfraga@cohenlawgroup.org.
Great. Phil, thanks for joining us to provide helpful information for our listening public.
Thank you so much, Justin. It's my pleasure.
You've been listening to the Making Law Easy show from www.makinglawEasy.com with Pittsburgh corporate attorney Phil Fraga.